fun fact, it's only been like 3-4 something hours since I recorded the first video, and I already hate it. Alright, so basically, I think what I'm gonna do, sorry I'm like explaining my whole process to you guys as if you even care, but I think what I'm gonna do is like, for this account, I'm just gonna, or channel or whatever, I don't even know the terms, the technicalities, I'm just gonna post like 1 to 3 minute videos that are just like short anecdotes or things that happen to me or something, because I feel like that's way more interesting than trying to plan this like whole extensive like video that like ends up not even being interesting because it's not original, you know? So, or organic, that's the word, organic. Also, yes, I'm filming this in my car because that's how it is. Alright, if you would like to see what I just purchased at Hobby Lobby, I would love to tell you. Basically, it only cost me $3.75 plus tax. And I have no reason for needing this at all. I don't even know what this is, I don't even know what it is, but I got this bird. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, like its eyes look really lifelike. There you go. Can you see it? I don't know what it sounds. I don't even know what this is called. I'm sorry. I know, like a macaw maybe? I know that there was one of these in Rio, and he was evil, I think. Anyway, I have this, and I'm going to probably display it in my, wherever my journeys take me. Oh, I could put it, no, that won't work. So yes, now I own this bird for less than $4. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. Anyway, yes. I'm discontinuing the fun. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these videos, okay? I'm just gonna say right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna post them. We're just gonna see what happens, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, bye.